Stay warm and stylish this winter with the EVALESS Quilted Jacket for women. This lightweight, long-sleeve button-down puffer jacket is the perfect outerwear choice, complete with convenient pockets for added functionality. Material. Crafted from high-quality materials, these quilted jackets are soft and comfortable. The lightweight fabric ensures you stay cozy during the chilly fall and winter months without feeling weighed down. Features. Lightweight quilted design. Long sleeves for extra warmth. Stylish button-down front. Classic lapel collar. Multiple pockets for practicality. Available in solid colors. Perfect for a casual, boyfriend-style look. Design. The EVALESS jacket features a chic diamond texture, making it a standout piece in your wardrobe. Its loose fit and casual style are ideal for layering, providing both comfort and elegance in cold weather. Match. Easily pair this versatile jacket with jeans or leggings for a laid-back vibe. 4. A more polished look. Combine it with basic t-shirts, blouses, sweaters, and your favorite heels or boots. Whether running errands or heading out for a night, this jacket elevates